The blue-ringed octopus is more venomous than any terrestrial or land-dwelling animal, and they live in shallow water off the Pacific Ocean, primarily as bottom dwellers. They can be found along the coast of Australia, Japan, the Solomon Islands, the Philippines, Indonesia, and Sri Lanka. Although that may seem like a broad area, because they only live in shallow, temperate waters, their habitat range is rather small, and tend to be unaggressive due to that fact, and are usually found hiding in crevices, empty seashells, and even thrown out bottles and cans. If you were unaware of their existence before listening to this documentary, you may be surprised to learn that they are actually extremely small. A blue-ringed octopus will only grow to a few inches in length, and that's including their legs. Most of them are about the size of a golf ball, and that's once they reach adulthood. Blue-ringed octopus eat crustaceans and the occasional small fish. They hunt by enveloping their prey, disallowing them to escape, and puncturing a small hole into their shell. Then they just kind of drool everywhere. This saliva or drool is toxic, so it ends up paralyzing the prey. Octopus actually have two different sets of toxins. The first one I just mentioned is mainly used for feeding, another one used for defense. Well, that's a scary one, of course, especially for those crustaceans. They're both pretty scary, but the defense one definitely a lot worse. The venom itself is actually made via a symbiotic relationship between the octopus and a bacteria in its mouth. Adult blue-ring octopuses lack the ability to ink as a means of self-defense, so they have their venom to rely on. Well, that and those crazy blue rings. A blue-ringed octopus will only display its rings when threatened. They use these as a sign to ward off potential predators, as of saying, hey, I could probably kill you. And they can flash those rings in a third of a second. So fast, kind of like the speed of the images on screen. The reason they can perform this action so fast is because when the rings are not visible, they're actually simply being hidden under folds of the octopus skin. When an octopus wants to reveal its rings, it only has to uncover them. Although it's not been determined how long young octopus live before they mature, once they have matured and are ready to mate, their fate has basically been sealed, as the mating process kills both parents. Female blue-ringed octopus will remain with her eggs, protecting them until they hatch. This can last anywhere from a month to a few months, depending on the species during this time. The female blue-ringed octopus won't eat shortly after her babies have hatched. She will die. That's actually common for most octopus species. The lifespan of a blue-ringed octopus is a short one, which is what makes this next point all the more confusing. Blue-ringed octopus are actually kept as pets. Yes, even though they live extremely short lives, and yes, even though they are highly dangerous, they are kept by some people as pets. It's been theorized that this trait is actually hurting blue-ringed octopus populations, although we don't currently have statistics on the population of this animal due to the habitat destruction in the pet trade. It's been guessed that their numbers are on the decline as pets. Many blue-ringed octopus either don't survive shipping or perish only after a few weeks to a few days of arrival. Plus, they really can kill you, and there is no known antidote for their venom. So try to stay away from them if you can. And thank you for listening to my documentary on blue-ringed octopus.